Hello, everyone, and welcome to the exciting world of Idiom. My name is Hanaa Said, and I'll be your guide on this journey to mastering these colorful expressions in English. Let's get started. Idiom. What does it mean? Idioms are phrases or expressions that have a figurative meaning, different from the literal meaning of the individual words. They are used to add color and imagery to language, making it more vivid and engaging. The importance. Enhance communication. Idioms allow speakers to express complex ideas in a simple way. Cultural insights. They provide a glimpse into the culture and values of the people who speak the language. Improve fluency. Knowing idioms helps in understanding and participating in everyday conversations, making language use more natural. Conversation between John and Sarah. Hey, Sarah. How are you doing? Hi, John. I'm great, thanks. How about you? I'm over the moon today. This is Idiom here. That's awesome. What happened? I got a promotion at work. Congratulations. That's definitely worth celebrating. Thank you, Sarah. How is everything going with you? Not so well. I'm kinda in hot water at work. This is another idiom because of a mistake I made. Oh no, that's tough. I hope things get better soon. Over the moon means happy. In hot water means you are in trouble. That means you have a problem. Until next time, happy learning.